Hey friends, the website beta.sam.gov doesn't exist anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you the new way to find government contracts for your business. This is FedAccess, and I help businesses grow with federal contracts. The government has taken down the beta.sam.gov website and moved all its functionality over to the SAM.gov website. In this video, I show you how to search for contracts in SAM.gov, and be sure to stick with me to the end, because I'm going to explain how you can use the interested vendors list to get subcontracts. First, I have signed into the site. You can do a search without signing in, but you won't be able to do a bunch of useful things like download your results, or save your search, or follow an opportunity, or join the interested vendors list. So I recommend go ahead and sign in. To start your search, come up here and click Search, and then under Domain, click Contract Opportunities. Now you can search by a whole bunch of different things: the government agency issuing the contract, the set-aside status, the response due date, but I'm going to start by entering a NAICS code. I come here and I'm going to enter two different NAICS codes. And that's going to give me all contracts in either one of these two NAICS codes. And you see I have over 12,000 results. Next, I'm going to sort by place of performance. You can do that by either zip code or state, and you can enter more than one state. I'm going to sort by Washington and Alabama. That's going to give me contracts performed in either one of those states. And you can see I've now got it narrowed down to 173 results. If you want to add additional filters, you can do that by clicking here, More Filters. I'm going to add Published Date. And now I am going to search for things published in the past month. And you can see I've now got it narrowed down to 50 results. To download your results, come up here and click Actions, Download, and that will allow you to download a file with the results of your search. To save the search, click Actions here and then Save, and give it a descriptive name, because you can set up lots of different searches. Hit Save Searches here to see a list of all your saved searches. So maybe you're going to have one search with a construction NAICS code, that's 23 by the way, and in a specific zip code, and then another search that is nationwide. Or maybe you want to have one search for all small business construction projects and another search for only 8A set-aside construction projects. Okay, you get the idea. You can set up and save lots of searches. Now, you'll want to receive an email notification when a new result is available for your saved search. So under Actions, hit Notify. Now, I'm in Saved Searches and I want to go back to my search results, and they're gone. And things disappear pretty easily on this website, which is one of the reasons I recommend that you save your searches. So I click on Save Searches, and then I can click on the search and it'll take me back to the results. Now, see this search box up here? You need to be really careful about this box. Let's say I go up here and I enter staffing. What it did, it deleted all of the previous filters I had set up and started an entirely new search. So don't use this box if you're trying to modify your current search. Use this filter menu on the left side to add additional filters to a current search. This box up here deletes everything and starts an entirely new search. Now, what about keyword searches? Well, keyword searches can be tricky if you provide services, but if you provide something like, say, pumps, then I would definitely go ahead and do a keyword search. Here, I'm doing a keyword search for pumps, and I'm going to search for things with a response due date in the next 3 months. To learn more about an opportunity, just click on it, and this page will tell you all about it. If it looks like it's something that you're interested in, click on this Follow button here. That way you'll be notified of any changes or updates. and click here to add your name to the interested vendors list. Now, not every opportunity has an interested vendors list, so you may not see this button. But if you do see it, take a look at the other companies on the list, because you may want to contact some of those companies if you're looking for subcontracting opportunities. The list will contain their contact information. So you can reach out to them, send them your capability statement, and you can say, I saw that you're interested in the contract that's currently out in SAM.gov. I supply pumps, or whatever it is you do. I would be interested in being your supplier. Hey friends, thanks for watching. As always, if you have questions about any aspect of federal contracting, post in the comments below and I'll respond as soon as I can. See you next time.